Hey guys, it's Boomer, and today we did Secret Santa, and I got a fishing rod. So this is my first time fishing with my own fishing rod.
To the middle of the pond. I can hit the fountain with these.
Also, I need a sink.
Oh my god.
Some a little farther.
It smells horrendous. Smell it. It smells like plastic. It smells horrendous. I hate it.
It smells weird. Like it doesn't smell.
Oh yeah, you can't.
It doesn't smell terrible.
A few moments later.
Oh, that can give you cancer when you touch them. That's what it.
Then why were you just telling us to put it in our face?
It smells. It's like if you get it on your hands because it's like an oil. It's all. Look at my hands. Like you can see it glimmer in the sun. It smells like it reeks.
Sometimes I say that I want you back.
Okay, so pretty much this is what Agua got hot shot. Yeah, so he's gonna try it out.
Oh my god! That's his. She didn't even catch it, by the way. Where did it go?
Like the phases of the moon. And I know.
Hot shot size claim so he can like make it go all the way to the middle of the lake. So we'll see. Cut! No, that's not the middle of the lake. I've done that.
La life, that's la life. Baby, let it be. Enjoy the memory. Oh, that's la life. That's la life.
Hey guys, thanks for watching me fishing for the first time with my new rod.
Make sure you go check out the Secret Santa video.
Yes.
We posted that on Christmas.
So this is gonna be
But it's the same day.
Yeah. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay outdoors. Bye.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.